Welcome to Limitless Travel. Today's episode. Quick Facts About Cities Part 10. Fact 1: Chelyabinsk was once called Tankograd in the past. It means tank city in Russian. The reason for this goes back to World War II and the German invasion. Chelyabinsk was the center of the Soviets' tank industry. At least 18,000 tanks came from Chelyabinsk, along with almost 50,000 diesel engines. After the war ended, Chelyabinsk returned to civilian production. Tractors and other agricultural machines became the city's new focus. Fact 2: Guangzhou is one of China's oldest cities. The first settlement on the city's site goes back to the 2nd century BC. Called Panyu at the time, it was a base for the Qin dynasty's army. It later became the provincial capital under the Han dynasty. Even at the time, Guangzhou was a major port and trading hub. Traders from all over China, the Middle East, and even as far as Rome came to the city. This was not always appreciated though. In the 8th century AD, anti-Tang rebels killed thousands of foreigners in Guangzhou. Despite that episode, Guangzhou remains one of China's main ports to the present day. Fact 3: Wuhan is the most populated city in central China. At present, Wuhan boasts a population of 11 million, classifying it as a megacity. Its position in central China has also made it a travel hub for centuries. Before modern times, travelers came either overland or by boat. Two rivers pass by the city, the Yangtze and the Han. Today dozens of railways go through the city, bringing more travelers with them. Fact 4: The Dazu rock carvings are in Chongqing. The carvings are sculptures depicting Buddhist, Taoist, and Confucian figures. They go back to the 7th century when work began under the Tang dynasty. Work continued past the dynasty's fall, all the way to the Song dynasty. The carvings are in Chongqing's Dazu district. Fact 5: The heaviest building in the world is in Bucharest. Bucharest has the Palace of the Parliament, in which weighs over 700,000 tons. Nicolae Ceausescu ordered it built in the communist era. As the name shows, it houses Romania's parliament. The building also includes 3 museums and an international conference center. Fact 6: There are thermal springs under Sofia. They're not developed though. These thermal springs are in the countryside around the city. There are fountains tapping into the springs, though. Visitors are free to drink from these fountains. The minerals in the water have many health benefits for the human body. Thank you for watching Limitless Travel, and don't forget to like and subscribe.